we're out listing this property. You're getting your first listing in January, okay? You're all going to pass the test in at the end of the month, and you get your first property listed right after the first of the year. It's a commercial property, and you follow this plan I just showed you on the board, and net income is $90,000, okay? So in this case, net income equals 90,000 after we've gone through this procedure. Now the problem says, what's the value if it's capped at 8%? So let's draw our T problem right here. And remember, we always want to put our mathematical symbols on here. Now, it's Uncle Irv, right? Income, value, rate. Same thing as part, total, rate, or percent. So what's the income in this case? It is $90,000. And what are we solving for? They want to know what the value is, okay? So what's the rate we're using in this case? It's 8%. And remember, John always says, move that decimal over 2 places. So it's 0.08. And what does, I've been teaching, back in the 80s, and even when I taught at the junior college, we used to do our classes over there, and then I had a classroom in my office. But I always like to use colored markers to indicate some different things. So what does our math tell us to do? To divide. So put the 90,000 in first in your calculator, okay? So I'm going to put that in my calculator first. And now I'm going to press the divide button because that's what my math tells me to do. And now I'm going to put 0.08 and hit equal, and I get $1,125,000